Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create tree map chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, make sure that you click on the white portion of the canvas. So here the tree map is there. Click on it. So first we'll have to specify the category. Let's pick up the subcategory and drop it into the category. In values, either we can select the continuous variable or the categorical variable. If we select the continuous variable, it will give the sum. The chart will be created on the basis of sum. And if it is a categorical variable, it will be generated on the basis of count. Let's see both of them. If I pick up the product ID, so here the chart will be generated on the basis of count. You can see count of product ID by subcategories. You hover your mouse on any one area. So what does it specify? That in subcategory binders, the total product are 1523. So this is a count. In paper, we are having 1370 product. Now instead of the categorical variable, if we pick up the sales, which is a continuous variable, how we'll come to know that this is a continuous variable? It is represented by the sign sigma. So when I'll pick up the sales and drop it into the values, now this tree map will be generated on the basis of sum of sales by the subcategory. Activate the focus mode. Now hover your mouse in any area. The information which we get is that out of the total sales in subcategory phones, our sales is 3,30,000. In chairs, it is 3,28,000. Can we extract more information from here? Yes, definitely. There is something which is known as a detailing. Now you pick up the region and drop it into the detailing. Each area will get divided into four sections: east, central, south, west. So, for phones in east region, the sum of sales is this much: west, south, and central. Can we get more information? Yes. Pick up the quantity and drop it on the tooltip. You will not find any change in the tree map. But when you hover your mouse on any area, now the additional information which we get is sum of quantity. We can go on adding the information which we require on tooltip. Now let's activate format your visual. Legend on. So at present, the legend are on top left. Keep it as it is. Do we require to change the color? You can change the color from it. The size can be increased or decreased depending upon your requirement. Activate the title. It is written as subcategory. So let's say subcategory wise. If you want to write at any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default settings, just press this and done. Color. So for phones, chairs, storage, tables, binders, different colors have been used. The colors can be changed from here. You can pick up any color. See the change which will happen. Data labels. When I on it, you can see that in each area, now the data labels have appeared. The size of the data labels can be increased or decreased. The color can be changed. Let's take the black color. The display unit is in thousands. You can convert it into millions and trillions. Category labels. So the category labels are this white part: phones, storage, machines. Its value can be increased or decreased, and the color can also be changed. Now let's go into the general settings. Back to the report. Properties. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase. By increasing this number, the width of the chart will increase. Position. The chart will shift towards the right hand side. The chart will shift towards the bottom. Padding. The inner portion. This is related to the white portion in the chart. By increasing this number, the white portion will increase from left hand side. This will increase from right hand side, bottom, and top. Titles. It is written sum of sales. Let's change it and make it to only sales and quantity. Font size is 14. Text color. Do we require any background? Yes, we require the background and we select the background. Horizontal adjustment. Yes. Do we require subtitles? At present, no. Divider. Activate the divider. The width of this divider can be increased as well as its color can also be changed. It's a solid line. We can convert it into the dotted line. Increase the width. Effects. We'll select the background. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Visual border on it. Rounded corners activated. So the corners will become rounded. Shadow on it. This time let's have from top right. Header icons are related to the filters and focus modes. So just see, normally we don't use this. The border can be changed and the icon can also be changed. So this is related to this filters on visual and focus mode, but normally we don't use it. So reset to default. Make sure in icons, all of them are on. Activate the focus mode and done. What we can do more, the data can be exported in CSV format from here. So as table. So now we are having the tree map as well as the data. The layout can be changed. So this was all about creating the tree map in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.